So my name's Howard Blitzstein. I'm one of the partners and one of the lawyers at Howie Saxon Henry. What interests me in the field of personal injury law is based on what I think are my three core convictions in my life: having a competitive nature, believing in the truth, and believing in fairness. I try to take all those three elements into every aspect of my life, but especially into my career. Fighting for the underdog is what has always motivated me all the way back to law school, throughout the beginning of my career, and even up to this day. That is still my primary motivating factor in doing the work that I do. People are going through very difficult times when they're seeking out our assistance. We never lose that perspective in the work that we do, from the beginning of the case all the way to the end. And in order to have that approach, you have to be a good person. You have to be a sensitive person. You have to be an empathetic person. And Howie Saxon Henry has always looked to grow by hiring people that have those same values and those same characteristics. We are all motivated to help people who need help, and we will all go the extra mile as long as things take, as much money as things cost, as much as is needed to make sure that our clients, the vulnerable people that we're helping, are getting the fair result that they deserve.